Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts October 2023 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Our October release will take you to a peaceful, snowy night in the forest. The classic kit includes 3 large scene fancy dies, 4 fancy word dies, 3x4 swirl snow clear stamp, 4 sheets of the following colors of cardstock: pitch black, white, slate, winter blue, and frosted blue cardstock, all measuring 5.5 by 8.5, and a 1-ounce bottle of white acrylic spray. The premium kit includes everything from the classic plus 3 mini peaking fancy dies, a 4x6 Nordic layering clear stamp set, and 20 vellum snowflakes. Now included in each of our kits is a backer sheet that explains the contents of each kit and inspiration to help get you started. Now let's take a closer look at the dies included in the kit. These are the 3 large scene fancy dies that we'll start with first. These are really great because you can use them to build up a scene or use individually on their own. You can see how each of them would create their own card front. Or you can take them and layer them up together to create this peaceful, snowy night in the forest. You could leave the very background white and attach to a piece of white cardstock or do an ink blended sky. There are 4 sentiments included in this die set as well. Each one has a word die and a shadow die to it. We have Merry, Winter, Christmas, and Happy. Now another amazing thing included in this kit is all of this cardstock, which is great for creating so many of your scenes. Now, like I had stated, there are 4 sheets of pitch black, white, slate, winter blue, and frosted blue. And this frosted blue is gorgeous. It has a nice, beautiful, shimmery sheen to it. We also have this 1-ounce bottle of white acrylic spray. Now, I would recommend shaking this up before using it for the first time, and I am going to spray it on a piece of slate cardstock. It took me a couple pumps to get that moving, and I could spray that onto my background. You can see how well that covers that dark cardstock, or you can remove the lid and take it to add splatters to your background. And also included in the classic kit is the 3x4 Swirl Snow Clear Stamp. So this one is really great for adding into your backgrounds. You can stamp it in a color ink or heat emboss it and do some ink blending over the top. Now the additional elements included in the premium kit is this 4x6 Nordic layering clear stamp. There are lots of images on here to layer together, build up to create a scene. We also have plenty of sentiments in there. Sentiments include Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, and wishing you peace and joy. Next, we have these 3 mini peaking fancy dies. There's a fox, a bear, and a deer. I did 1 set from slate colored cardstock, and this next set I did from white cardstock. So you can die cut them from colors or from white and add coloring to them with ink blending or your alcohol markers. And they are super cute to add into your winter scene here where they look like they are peeking out from behind the trees. Super adorable and sweet. And last but not least, we have 20 vellum snowflakes. You're getting quite a variety of snowflakes in here of different designs. Vellum, so they have that frosted look to them. And on the snowflakes, it's like a foiled design, so it has a beautiful shine to it. Great for adding to all of your projects. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit option. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, So once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. But become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.